Hey guys, I hope that you are well. I wish I was well, or I could be better. I'm good. I think this time of the year really just reminds me that another year is passing, and there are people really that get away with owing other people, exploiting people, and it's sad that I have to do this video and have to go this route, but I was left with no choice. So let me just give you a background of what exactly I'm talking about. I am looking for this guy. His name is Shadrach, and Shadrach owns an agency or runs an agency called Invade Models. In 2022, my kids were called to come to audition for a TV commercial, and both my boys, the twin boys, were shortlisted, and then eventually one of them got the job. So Kamaralo booked the job. He successfully shot the commercial. He did the TVC, he did the voiceovers, he did some radio adverts, which, I mean, it's a proud moment for us to this day, right? And then client pays the agent, which is how it works. When you do TV commercials, the client would pay the agent would then take their commission and then pay the artist. So what this agent did, got the money and never paid us, or never paid my son. But because he's a minor, I'm going to refer to us as it, and we went back and forth for the past almost 2 years, went the legal route, and we made a payment arrangement. There was a legal agreement that was signed. He bridged that contract and never paid a cent. So again, last week I was at the police station and we're sent to the courts, and guys, it's just been such a stressful process. And honestly, I'm doing this for my son, who did so well on the TV commercial. That's something that he's so proud of, but every time he thinks about that, now something so stressful for him, and he just doesn't understand the process. He doesn't understand why this happened to him. And as a mother, I am going to make sure that my child will get what is due to him. So I need your guys' help to find this guy, to find where he lives, where he stays, where he operates, because the address that's on the contract, that's not where he is anymore. He's not taking my calls, he's not answering messages, he is not making any payment, and honestly, I'm just fed up with it, and I am taking this another step further. For us to continue the legal route, we need to find where this guy stays so that he can pay. And I first asked him for the payment. After many back and forth, he told me he used the money to book other models to fly overseas for something, and as soon as those models get paid, he's gonna pay my child. And that never happened. This guy is in operation, mind you. This guy is posting content every day. He's posting his models, he's doing fashion shows. He's just choosing not to pay me. So Shadrach from Invade Models, please pay us the money that you owe us, because we are not